I want to show you this incredible find my buddy Luke made at a church sale. He brought this awesome vintage stove to camp, and you're not going to believe what he paid for it.
$4.
This stove wasn't giving us that beautiful clean blue flame it was supposed to. After doing some research, I realized the problem was likely a bad seal on the fuel cap. This was preventing the tank from building up the pressure it needed to properly vaporize the fuel. Here's what a properly working Optimus 8R Hunter should look like. That beautiful hot clean blue burn. This is still an awesome find. And now we know what the problem is. The next step is finding a new seal. That'll have this stove back up and running and burning its beautiful blue flame. What do you think? Is this worth fixing up? Thanks for watching Blind Guy Urban Bushcraft. I'm Jay. If you want to find out if we can fix this stove, hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Get outside and make your own videos.